Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Black+Decker 4-slice crisp and bake air fryer toaster oven. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item, and over 9,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Are you tired of waiting forever for your oven to preheat? Or do you want crispy, delicious meals without the guilt of deep frying? Well, meet the Black+Decker 4-slice crisp and bake air fryer toaster oven. Your all-in-one kitchen solution for faster, healthier, and tastier cooking. Traditional ovens take too long, and it gets your house pretty warm in the summertime. And deep fryers use way too much oil. But with crisp and bake technology, this powerful little oven air fries, it bakes, it toasts, broils, and keeps food warm, all in a compact design that fits right on your counter. It uses little to no oil. You get that golden, crispy texture, but without the extra fat. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Black+Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven, because great meals shouldn't take forever. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.